Hey everyone, I just want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick introduction about what's my channel about. Just so you know, I'll be doing unboxing videos. As you can see here, this is my setup right here. This is my setup, and I got all my stuff here that's ready to be opened and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what my channel is about, unboxing videos and things like that. Just so you know, I'll be unboxing, let's say, games, accessories, phones, laptops, desktops, or whatever that I can think of for unboxing videos. And just so you know, I'll be uploading like a one or two videos a week, and possibly a short video a week or two as well. Just so you guys know that this now, that I won't be doing any face cam or no talking during my videos when I'm unboxing my stuff. I hope you guys understand. Unless if you guys really want me to, just leave the comments down below. Please let me know because I'll be happy to do like a face cam and just I'm talking and unboxing the item and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it about this channel introduction about my unboxing videos. And if you guys have any questions about my YouTube channel, please let me know. And I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.